gosh, I'm very thankful to be working inside this morning by the fire with Val because we got a little rain this morning and steers are going to the butcher this morning, so Cody is loading steers in the rain. Yuck. And my chickens, can y'all see chickens? Y'all probably can't see it, but there are chickens out there still roosting in the rain because they refuse to go in the chicken church. Oh, there goes Izzy. Izzy says, I'll go help in the rain. It's about 6:15 this morning. Just have them there at 8 o'clock. Val, you think we need to go help? I was like, no, I don't think so. Oh, there they go. They're loaded. Alright, well, I hope wherever you are, you're getting a little rain too. Come on, Val, let's go back in the house. Let's get by the fire. We'll keep ranching.